Get ready, start. Ministers of the Crown have various duties to perform on behalf of their government. One is at the exchequer, controlling the financial business of the country and looking into matters of expenditure, and in this work he has often to meet criticism from the wealthy classes, from leaders of commerce, and from manufacturers, because he seeks to tax the commodities they manufacture or export. It is in the months of January, February, and March that he begins to think of his budget for the coming financial year. Another is exchanging views with foreign powers, and it is necessary that he maintains an imperturbable manner under all circumstances and displays a broad spirit in his views. A third is maintaining the impregnable state of our coasts, or considering the inefficiency of our navy, which is very expensive, and formulating plans for making it more efficient. A fourth has to deal with the treatment of prisoners who are confined for offenses of various kinds, and though he may be a kindly man, he must not be swayed by false motives in the discharge of his duties. A fifth is concerned with the health of metropolitan and other areas throughout the land. In addition to all this, such ministers are cross examined in Parliament, and the result of such cross examination depends very largely on the personal magnetism of the holder of the office. Next para. The new book of essays by a member of the government contains some very worthy sayings. A person of character is incapable of a mean action, and is able to govern himself under all circumstances. We cannot be wise men unless we familiarize ourselves and sympathize with human nature. Our familiarization with new scenes and new people shows us the insufficiency of our education. In the immediate future, we expect to see the author at the head of the cabinet. In dealing with the charge against the prisoner, the metropolitan magistrate passed the maximum sentence after a close cross examination of the offender, and after several witnesses had been cross examined, and despite the fact that the prisoner's action had been governed by financial troubles over which he had no control. The magistrate is a man of wide tastes and is one of the prime movers in our agricultural show, and he is regarded as an authority on most matters relating to the land. His model farm is a splendid example of scientific farming, and it is a source of amazement to the farmers in the district, who are mostly satisfied with seeking for the best results by empirical methods. Stop.